Okay, our Wondersilo plugin is installed. Our settings have been set up. Before you start doing anything, you might want to read these two notices at the top. One is about the plugin itself and how you use it, and the second one reads, if you're using this for one of your existing sites, this will wipe everything clean from your site if you have all the boxes ticked. So please be aware of that. You might want to make a backup of your site before you do anything. And now we're coming to Wondersilo Pro and Generate Silo. So we're going to do a 3-level silo, and you can select any of the search engines you wish. I guess I would select the ones that would be most appropriate for the project you're working on. We'll do Google and Wikipedia. And the silo keyword is dog training. And maximum numbers per search engine is 8. And click on Generate Silo. Okay, once your silo is created, it's a good idea to go through all of these tabs here just to make sure that what's in them is what you want. I didn't do that for one, and I found home-based businesses in India, and that didn't fit the need of my project. So just make sure that everything reads the way you want it to read. And if there are any that you don't want, you can either change the copy that's in the tab or uncheck it. Near me UK, just uncheck that one. So just go through them and make sure that they read the way you want them to, that it has the information on the tab that you want to use. Let's come up with some good options here. So I think I will change that. Okay, and now you can come down here, and we are now in the Create tab. You can create an About page. Silo is about dog training, and it also covers topics like, and you can add more here. And here I've got a list of other topics. Okay, so I've added a number of other topics. I want to create a privacy policy page, terms of use page. If it relates to anything that you're doing for income, you want to use your earnings disclaimer. Contact page. You might want to create a DMCA page, which is Digital Millennium Copyright Act. You want to create a menu. You want to create pages or posts. Let's do create posts. So the reason that this is here is because many times when people are creating a website, they forget about these pages, and the software should put sort of a basic page with about information and all this other information in your site. Okay, now here is where we're going to paste our copy. Here's my article in my HTML editor, and I'm going to do some editing before I do anything else with it. So we'll select the whole article. From what I understand, it's a 4,000 word maximum. Paste it in here. And you must use unspun copy in the software to get spun copies. So you enter your text, use spin content using Spin Rewriter. And here's the spun copy. That was pretty fast. And then just do a preview and see whether it looks okay. Click OK. Enter your keywords here, and if you have a meta description, enter that here. And then tags, you can create categories from your posts. Enter a description for the category here if you wish. And if you select miscellaneous for posts and pages, you'll get a box here for using external links, and you can set them as do follow or no follow, up to you. So I'm going to enter a description for your category here, and I believe the limit is 350 characters, and use Spin Rewriter, and you can preview. Cool. Okay. Does a good job. And then you want your external links here if you want to use them. Okay, so I've entered my external links. I have a couple of affiliate products and link to Wikipedia articles and one to AKC page about training. I think those sites have some pretty good authority. Now I'm going to enter cities, states, and zips. I did a search for the friendliest dog cities in the US, and I found the most populated zip codes in those cities, and that's what I'm entering here. And you select an option for inserting data. You're either overriding what's here or adding new. I'm going to put add new. And then down the bottom here, you want to drip out your posts or your pages, whichever you do. So you pick the start date and how far along you want it to go. And whoops, I don't want it to go to May. So let's do March 31st. Now it's really important to save your settings. If you go and add all these details and then you're called away for some reason, you end up being logged out, everything that you've entered will disappear if you don't save your settings. Okay, so it's here now for all time. So it looks like I've got everything filled in. Cool. Okay, so now we press the start button. So I just click start and WonderSilo is doing its thing, and when the screen comes back we can go and take a look at what we have. So let's go take a look. We'll start with pages, and WonderSilo has added these pages. Next is posts, and here are all the posts, and it shows that these are scheduled. It's to go out to March 17th. Okay, it's not showing any as being posted yet, so we'll just take a preview peek. And here is one of the posts. And I can see I have some editing to do on capitalizing, etc. And here are the links to the affiliate products.
Pop quiz.
Okay, so that is basically the setup of WonderSilo. There are lots of things to tweak and fix and whatever, but you can get started playing with it. And that wraps up this tutorial.